Hello. I bought this. It looks fun. I hope it's fun. I want to test it out with you guys. Let's do this. I need scissors. Fudge. I'm already in a pickle. Oh, I don't know. I'll use my toothpick. I should probably use it at Hershey's too. So this is I haven't uploaded in a while, so let me catch you up on what's been going on. So I went to the fair. My mom still hasn't sent me that video, but I recorded on my phone, sent it to her, and she was supposed to send it to my tablet, which is what I'm recording on right now. But she never did that. Crap, this isn't working. I went to the fair. Wait, I already said that. What else can I use? Oh yeah, I have a pencil. Yeah, so I went to the fair. What else happened? At least that worked. I guess that's all that really happened. I made 2 friends. One of them had actually commented on my recent post. They're probably watching this right now as soon as it's posted. Frick, I lost the lens. Hey, I did it. What am I supposed to do now? How do I open this? Okay. Yeah. School is going good, I guess. And this is a huge bag. I'm assuming this is filled with the marbles. Jesus Christ. They did say it includes a storage bag, but I thought the storage bag was for the marbles. Apparently this is for the marbles. Yeah, so basically they have light up marbles. So it's right here. What else happened? Not too much happened. I think they should have a rule book in there. They do. Alright, they do. Anything else? No. Throw it away. Yo, pretty legit pieces. These are the first clear pieces I've actually have. These are the first clear pieces I have. Oh, cool. Sets of green. And this is part of the loop-de-loop. Looks pretty legit. This is the thing. Red. We have the red sets. We have this, another one of these. What else do we have? What else do we have? Oh, this is new. I've never had this before. So is the loop-de-loop. The loop-de-loop is also new. This isn't new. I've had this before. I still have it, but like, yeah. Assuming this is for this. This is just set in the picture. This part of this. So you just like take a little piece and it boost. Oh, this is the end point. This is where all the marbles land, usually. Oh, crack my toes. You guys probably heard that. I have pretty loud toe cracks. Or cracks in general with stuff. This is tape. It is tape. We have yellow. What else do we have? We have purple. We have blue, one of my favorite colors. That's behind green. Well, technically it's behind red, but still. Oh, there's 2 of these. Cool. that could help. Oh, and then the other side of the loop-de-loop. Wondering how that's gonna go. Thing like this. I hope like this. I'll figure it out in the robot. What the hell is this? A little nod thingies. Is that it? Throw that away. I didn't even get to throw that away yet. Okay, so let's read this rulebook. Okay, this product contains a bionickel battery and used in bionickel batteries. Battery to swallow, otherwise placed inside part of the body. Contact the astronaut poison 27, telephone 13, 26. Construction tips. You want to build from the bottom up. So first find these base pieces. Oh! These notches are for this. So you just stuff that inside. And then stuff. Hey! I did it. We did it. Yeah. I'm assuming you can take it out. You can take it out if it's kind of hard. Oh god, it is hard. It's not too hard, but like kind of hard in my strength state. It's not too big, but still. Found the base pieces. Okay. Place these two base pieces in a triangular shape to start. The triangle is one of the most rigid structures you can build and will make your marble run much more stable. That's not even how it's built. Next, lay out all marble stacks and look closely at which way they slant. Make sure you stack them on the supports. Be sure that they will guide the marbles downward, and you add the wheels to the track pieces. Stack more 2 pieces and add a dimension of the track pieces to build your structure. Velocity more than just speed. Velocity refers to how fast an object moves in a particular direction. These describe changes in velocity, speeding up or slowing down. They are measured in terms of time. Something that affects acceleration of friction and air resistance, change of direction, slope, obstacles, and impediments. I don't know. Impediments. Just gonna call it impediments. The marbles and track pieces are all smooth surfaces, so friction has little effect on movement, and because marbles are pretty small and not going very far or fast, resistance doesn't really come into play either. What other factors are important for understanding the science of your marble run and building faster and better runs? So let's look at them more closely. Physics. I'm not asking about physics. This does not teach you crap. Where's a box? How am I supposed to build? What do you build out of this? Are you just supposed to be creative? Hell no. I am not doing that. Are you sure that's... Jesus Christ, this thing's a black hole. There's nothing in here. Maybe it's in the box. It's probably in the box. How do you open the box? Don't tell me the box also has tape. If the box has tape, I'm gonna cry. Song stuck in my head, but I don't want to sing it. I'm not gonna sing it. I don't need to sing it. Why do I need to tell you stuff? Well, where's the... I'm not using a little... I'm using that thing. I'm using this thing. Using this thing. Hey, Mom. No. There is no rule book in the box. Yo! These things are glow in the dark! Wait, does that say that in the book? Well, it does say that on the thing, but I didn't think it was actually true. Watch. Yo, you shine that on this, and then these little things, they light up. I think it's a science fiction. It should explain it here, because I forgot what it was. Lights, where the light things, I forgot, but something about the light thing. What the hell is that? That's not a part of my thing. It's not a part of my thing. So what are we supposed to do here? Because I didn't get all those pieces that said it. They just say this. 41 construction pieces, 8 glow in the dark marvels, 1 UV light, 1 storage bag, 1 learning guide with instructions. The learning guide doesn't teach you crap. This learning guide, it's just trying to teach you how to do stuff worse. It doesn't teach you how to build nothing. Nothing at all. This is what we gotta figure out right now. Because I think, if I'm correct, no. This way. Yes, this way. Yes, this way. I hope. If not, we're gonna have to disconnect it, and I'm not trying to break no marble pieces. Let's test it. Yeah, let's test it. I want to test it. See if it works. Let's put it in front. Here. Let's put it in front. Okay, so it still has a couple of... You hear that sound? Sounds like a little... But still, it's pretty cool. Do I have to put this in here? I'm assuming I do. Because I think I take this out and then put this in here. Yeah. Let's test this out. So basically, National Geographic wants you to use your creative skills. But I like it better when there's rule book, but they did not do that. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's actually 8 marbles. Oh, line them all up. Where's the button? Line them all up. Show you guys. It's so legit how they just glow in the dark for reals. That's actually cool. National Geographic is just next level at this point. Right now, they're next. Oh, I think one of them has a crack. Oh no, that's sad. 2 of them have a crack. That sucks. Man. National Geographic is popping with their science, but they are trash with their glass. Because I think these are made out of glass. But then again, if they were, I'm pretty sure one of them broken on me and my hand would be bleeding. Crap. Bleeding. So yeah, some of them are easy to take off, some are not. Let's put this one to the test, yeah? It does work. Kind of. Just doesn't actually like follow the track. It just like this falls down because gravity does not work that way. I wish it did. That would have been more fun. Okay, creative effort here. James, creative effort here. Frick. Creative effort and color effort. You got this. Also, Halloween's right around the corner. That'd be pretty fun. I hope I get to take you guys with me on the coloring. I hope I get to take you guys with me on the trick or treat. Cause last year I didn't get to, cause some guy kept on complaining, like, oh no, don't show my face. So I still have the video, but like, I didn't post it. I'm not gonna post it, or he's gonna sue me. Cause you know I like to glow and everything. Let's do double colors. This type of double color. If it can even do that. No, it can only do a double color and one color, which sucks. Sucks on garbage. This is not really too stable. That concerns me very much. My Singing Monsters is stuck in my head. I keep on playing My Singing Monsters because it's actually that fun of a game. It's a game like that's super duper fun. Oh crap! Did a piece? I think that might be part of it, but it looks like it broke. Oh no, that's not too good. It looks like it broke, but it's part of it. I hope it's part of it because I don't want to be like, oh no, it already broke. Eminem's song is also stuck in my head. What the heck? Some of it's loose. That's what I don't like about this. Like, it's a little loose. That's kind of not okay with me. Because I'm like, I'm not going to be able to do crap. Wait a minute. There's a loop-de-loop in this, but there's no loop-de-loop in the box. I am getting so scammed right now. This actually sucks. Should have picked a heavier box. I just don't know what to do. This sucks. Because I don't like using my creative skills. My creative skills suck so bad. This gonna looks so trashy. I swear to gosh. Yeah, we can do triple color. I think. I hope. We can't do triple color. Wait. Oh crap. My bad. Don't want to crack anything. I just bought it, dog. I'm like, nah. Like, don't crack on me yet. A lot of people in my school watch my videos and they're like, oh my god, so cool. They're lying. Okay. Ah, crap. I put it the wrong way. Wait, what am I doing? There we go. Fixed. And better, you can say. Could say better. I wish you would say better, because that would help my emotional state. Where are all the marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just came up with a new word. What? W-A. With a silent T. What? I've been working on it. I don't know if it's good or not, or if it's trash. I don't care. I'm still going to use it. What? Connect better, bro. Piece won't connect. I see your little loose butt. You're not tricking nobody. It's pretty legit, but I wish it had more pieces. That'd be way more fun. But then again, it is a small box. Now, here's a test that I like to do. I just divide by 2 or 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever. Oopsie, that did not happen. You guys didn't see crap. Fix all the damages. Damn foot. Control yourself. Triple and double color. This is actually pretty ironic. Rap God is also stuck in my head. I don't know why right now, but it's just a lot of songs are stuck in my head. What kind of laugh was that? I laugh random stuff. I just laugh the randomest things. I just go like sounded like a freaking pillager. Something. I don't know what it sounded like, but it sounded like something.
What? No way. That's crazy.
I have this thing. I don't know if it's like some type of disease or something. It's like, don't tell me your card. Okay. It's like this thing where I breathe in and I get to sound like some type of robot. Some type of scary robot or something. Like, I usually use it to impersonate Cyborg, which is another monster from My Singing Monsters. I am getting way ahead of myself. I am being very personal right now. So this is
Do that, do that, day, that, do that, down. Day, that, do that, day, that, do that, down.
How would 4 react to this? How would 4 react to this part and this part? I want to see. I'm going to test it. I'm going to test everything. Because, yes. I think one tossed the other out. Be nice, you guys. Be nice. Seriously, be nice. You guys keep on tossing each other out. Every single marble I have tosses each other out from every single end. Peace. There we go. This is better. I think this should not help anything. This one's gonna be cooked. If I put all 8 together on this guy, it's gonna be cooked. COOKED. My legs hurt so much right now. It's still so cool that they can just glow on. Some of you might be saying that, that is something really good. I don't give a damn. Ooh, we could probably test that in the dark. I'm just gonna go in the closet and then light those things up. Also, this video is basically just gonna reveal my Halloween costume. I keep on telling everyone in my school it's a surprise, and I hope nobody in my school sees this video. So, people in school, this videos after this marble set, you are forbidden to see the rest of the video. Never mind. I guess it took it pretty well. But a lot of the marbles keep on getting stuck. Stop tossing each other out. I like to play a game with the marbles, I always just go like, hey, here's your whole type reservation. With this one, we just have 2 new rooms. Glow, 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 glow. Glow, glow, glow. Jesus freaking Christ, the damn piano. You suck. Oh my god. Oh god. I got scared by piano. Turn it off. I don't even know if the thing's still on. My brother loves using my piano. So. Still have this loose piece. Oh god, that hurts. I don't even know why I thought that worked. Whoa, everything was black for a second. I'm almost blind. You guys look into the light. Look into the light, you suckers. I shouldn't be doing that. That's me. But whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm not sure it matters. Okay, people from school, you are forbidden to see this part of the video, so exit now. Or I'll lick the camera. This is my Halloween costume. Harry Potter. Probably gonna cut this part out. Because I know they won't listen to me. Nobody in my school listens to me. I said something, they don't listen. There's always these weird hallucinations where you like move a light really fast and it makes like some kind of art. Or you see like some kind of wavy line that follows the light. I'm gonna be so cooked when writers see that. Or when light writers see that. Because there's a type of art where you like do something with a light and people see what it says. Still so legit. Oh, yeah, we're gonna test the thing. We're gonna test the marbles in the dark. Let's turn off the light, go in the darkest part of the room. Kind of shut the door, and then press the button. Yo! That's so sick! That's legit. I have a huge fear of what's inside the dark. It's the same thing, but like still. That's so legit. You see, nothing's in the room. Plus, I have the cross Jesus thing in my room, so like, I'm safe. But that's so sick. Let me try the other one. Because they all have different colors, right? They all have different colors. Yeah, oh no, they have the same colors. They're both green. I'm gonna grab the rest of them. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this one's also green. Just put that in my pocket. This one's also green. I think they're all green. This one's also green. They should make them different colors. That'd be cool. This one's also green. Colorblind people might see different colors. I'm kind of colorblind in the dark. Sometimes I see like shades of blue, and sometimes it's red. And I think that's just because I'm like physically blind. They're all green. I don't care though. It's still pretty legit. Said I would lick the camera. I'm not actually gonna lick the camera. You know how dirty these things can get. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I'm probably gonna take that down in a few minutes. yeah. So bought new marbles. These are pretty legit marble glow-ups. You got the other one. All of these guys, they just light up green. I think you could probably even see it in the... Yeah, because the camera just shows green. Oh my god, this affects the whole camera. I didn't even notice that. This affects the whole camera in the light. Because I see blue. I see like shades of blue. And then over here, the camera like shows purple. I think I might have blinded you guys a little. Oh god. I keep on hurting my eyes. Why do I keep on doing that? Let's see if I'm going to do it one more time.